Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So a couple months ago, I designed these small inline fuse holders. I made two sizes of these. One of these for the smaller types of fuses, and a slightly bigger one. So I'm going to show what I designed that for originally. So a couple months ago, my fuse blown on my multimeter, the 200 milliamp fuse, and it's a 500 milliamp fuse, and I couldn't find any of these small type fuses in the 500 milliamp. I could find them in the bigger size fuses. So what I did is, because it doesn't fit inside, I had to put it on the outside, but I used one of the fuse holders to hold a 500 milliamp fuse. And if I open this up, I'll show you how I attached it to the other fuse. So just grab a screwdriver. Let me open this up real quick. So it's just attached. But I took the old blown fuse, and what I did was I soldered two conductors to it, and this new fuse is in parallel with the old fuse. Now this fuse is blown, so there's no continuity between these 2 points. The electricity does have to flow through this new fuse, so that's why it looks like this. So I'm gonna put it back. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you why I designed that fuse. It works pretty good for me. One of the downsides is the smaller fuse that was in here was a fast burning fuse. This one is a slow burning fuse. It might be a problem actually. So I might actually replace with a like a 300 milliamp fuse. I don't know, just to give it a little, so it doesn't damage the multimeter. But this is a pretty cheap multimeter. I could just replace it really easily. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.